Okay, so this video is to describe how to apply the Young Living diffuser kit to the purple rose-inspired diffuser. The typical symptom of a diffuser that has an exhausted piezoelectric disc or ceramic disc is that when you turn the diffuser on, the lights will just flash briefly and then it'll turn itself off. And that's because the ceramic disc is worn out. It's the end of its life. They usually last for about 5,000 hours. That's what they're rated for. And at the end of that time, the diffuser actually thinks that it's out of water. So what we'll do is remove the lid. We'll dump out the water. Unplug the unit. And the kit comes with the screwdriver that you need and the replacement disc. So we'll take the screwdriver out. And the first thing we need to do is remove these two screws at the bottom of the unit. Put the screwdriver in. Take these screws out. We'll set them aside. And we'll just gently lift the lid. Inside we'll see the bottom of the disc that's inside the reservoir, and you'll see a yellow and blue wire, just like the replacement diffuser disc. And we'll want to go ahead and unplug it from the circuit board. So you can just grab the wires and give it a quick pull. Since we're replacing the part, we don't really need to be too gentle. Then we want to remove these two screws on the bottom of this retaining ring. And so we'll take them out. Okay, once that's removed, we'll see the bottom of the ceramic disc, and we can remove the old disc by just pressing with your finger in the hole on the other side, and we'll pop it out. And we'll set that disc aside. Take the new one out. Notice same color wires, blue and yellow. We'll place the new disc inside the bottom here. Keep paying attention to this notch that's at the bottom in this side. And that's where we want the wires to come out. So when we place the disc inside, there's also a notch here on the rubber gasket. We want to line that up with that notch and press the seal in, make sure it's firm, and the wires are in their little notch and they're not going to get pinched. Then we can replace the cover. The cover also has a notch for the wires. We want to line that back up. Put our screws back in. Tighten them up. And then take the wire that we removed previously and just plug it back in down here where it came out until you hear it click. There you go. And then we want to line the Young Living logo up with the front of the switch and put these posts back into their holes. Make sure there's no wires sticking out in the back, and then we're going to want to replace the screws on the bottom. Take our screwdriver. Tighten them all the way up, and then we can go ahead and plug the power cord back in. We'll set the old disc aside, and then we'll add water up to the line. Place the lid and turn it on. And there we go, fixed. The kit's available at www.DiffuserDoc.com. Thanks for watching.